Hi! In front of me is NOKIA G22 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, you need to access Play Store and install your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into devices settings right away. Then click on Apps section, scroll down just a bit and click on Default Apps. Lastly, tap on one of those options. I want to change my browser, so I have to click on Browser app. Tap on Opera Mini in order to apply it and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!